Angie Edge from the Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin is here to share a March Madness recipe. Hi, Angie.
Hi, great to see you, Mark.
You too. What's going on?
Well, it's a beautiful day in Wisconsin to share a Wisconsin cheese recipe, and it has a little bit of kick and flavor to it, so it's perfect for March Madness, maybe even St. Patrick's Day. It's featuring a Wisconsin Monterey Jack cheese, so you can find a lot of different varieties of Monterey Jack that are award-winning, also that already have a lot of kick to them, like a Sriracha Monterey Jack, maybe a habanero, so you can find a lot of great award-winning Monterey Jack right in your grocery store. So to start this recipe, you're going to start with 1 loaf of sourdough bread, and you're actually going to cut it into 1-inch strips without going all the way through the bread, both lengthwise and crosswise, so that you can actually open it up and kind of stuff the bread with the filling. And in the filling layer is 3 cups of that shredded Wisconsin Monterey Jack that we talked about. It melts beautifully. It also is a great flavor enhancer. And to that, I'm going to add 3 sliced jalapenos. That adds a lot of kick and a lot of flavor and some color. Then we also are adding 3 tablespoons of sliced chopped chives, a little bit of garlic too, so you get lots of great flavor. And then of course some more dairy, so 1 cup of melted Wisconsin butter. So this is the filling for the inside of your bread. You're basically going to mix that thoroughly with a spoon. And then, like I said, you can actually open up the bread and you can just kind of begin to stuff the layers of the bread with that ingredient. So you're going to bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes. Once you've stuffed the bread, and I just got this out of the oven, Mark, so we have 1 completed sourdough loaf. It's the cheesiest pull-apart bread ever, and you can see it just pulls right out with that Monterey Jack, so perfect for the month of March. You can maybe serve it with a little green beer or some spirits on the side, but fun to watch March Madness and enjoy Wisconsin cheese.
Absolutely. Looks delicious. I wish you were here.
I know, it is really good, Mark.
All right, get the recipe at wisconsincheese.com.
Thank you.
Have a great March. Thanks, Ange. Here's Chris.